Hey everyone, struggling with Aldi Mobile not connecting to the internet? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through simple steps to fix the issue and get back online fast. Let's dive in. Toggle airplane mode on or off to refresh the cellular connection. Reinsert the SIM card after cleaning it gently. Verify and correct the APN settings apnmdata.net.au or telestra.internet. Check for coverage and plan expiration. Why Aldi Mobile not connecting to internet? Weak or no cellular signal in your area, incorrect APN settings on your device, SIM card not properly inserted or damaged, mobile data turned off in device settings, network congestion during peak hours, SIM card not activated or plan expired, temporary network outages or maintenance. Fix 1. Restart your device. Turn your phone off and back on to refresh its system and network connections. For iOS devices, turn off by pressing the power button or power plus volume down. For newer models, wait 10 seconds then turn back on. For Android devices, restart or power off using the power or volume button. Wait 10 seconds. If powered off, then turn back on. Fix to ensure cellular data is enabled. Make sure mobile data is enabled in your mobile. For iPhone, open settings, then go to mobile data. Ensure the toggle is green. For Android, open settings, go to network and internet, then mobile data, and ensure it is turned on. Fix 3. Toggle airplane mode. Enable airplane mode. Wait for 10 seconds, then disable it. This refreshes the cellular connections. For iPhone, swipe down to open Control Center. Tap the airplane icon, then tap it again. For Android, go to settings, then network and internet, then go to airplane mode, toggle on and then off. Fix 4. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings help resolve problems with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or cellular data connections. For iPhone, go to settings, then general, then transfer or reset iPhone, reset network settings. For Android, go to settings, then go to system, then reset options, tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, then confirm. Fix 5. Check APN settings. Ensure APN settings are correctly configured for Aldi Mobile. Reconfiguring APN settings restores stable signal and network performance by aligning your device with the carrier's specific requirements for data access. For Android, go to settings, then network and internet, then go to SIM card and mobile network, select your SIM, access point name plus sign, add a new APN details. For iPhone, APN settings are usually configured automatically but can be checked under settings. Then go to mobile services, mobile data network, edit APN settings, enter the Aldi mobile APN details, save the settings and enable it, then restart your phone. APN details of Aldi mobile. Name mobile data apn mdata.net.au. If this doesn't work, try telestra.internet. MMSC http mmsc.mdata.net.au 8003, MMS proxy 10.1.1.180, MMS port 80, MMS protocol IPv4 or IPv4 or IPv6, MCC 505, MNC0, APN type default DUN supple MMS. Leave the remaining fields blank. Fix 6. Check data usage. You might have used up the data. Check for plan details and recharge or add more data to resolve the error. To view your usage details, open your messaging app, type balance and send it to 590. If your plan data shows low, it means you have used up all your data and need to add more to continue the services. Additionally, check for your plan's expiration details. If it is expired, recharge is required. Method 1. Add data using website. Log into Aldi mobile app, go to dashboard by clicking your number, look for option to add extra data from dashboard, or you can also add new plan, manage account, then go to my services, then tap on recharge. Select your plan to recharge. Method 2. Add data using app. Open your app and log in, go to dashboard by clicking the first icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. If you want to add more data, tap add button near add extra data to add more data. If you want renew your plan, click recharge to buy new plan. Fix 9. Check for Aldi mobile coverage. Poor coverage in remote or rural areas can lead to connectivity issues, and verifying coverage helps identify if the network is accessible in your region. Visit Aldi mobile coverage page. In the input box, type your address details, then click search icon to get the details. If you have a good signal strength, try moving to different location and try accessing the data. Fix 10. Check network configuration. Ensure your phone supports 4G and 5G and is compatible with Aldi Mobile's network, which uses the Telstra wholesale network. For iOS, go to settings, then go to cellular data options, and look for 5G under network options. For Android, navigate to settings, then go to connections or internet and network. Then SIM and mobile network, go to Aldi SIM, prefer network type and check if 5G is listed. Ensure you have selected 4G or 5G mode for seamless internet connections. Fix 11. Contact Aldi Mobile Support. To resolve an internet error with Aldi, you can contact their customer support at 1300 989 000 or 2534 for assistance with account specific issues.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.